Okay, now we're going to take the two 2-inch squares of one gray and one purple. We're going to make a half square triangle. We're going to draw a diagonal line corner to corner on the wrong side of one of them. It doesn't matter. And we're going to do this twice. You're going to have 2 purple and 2 gray, and we're going to end up with 4 half square triangles. So I'm going to come to the machine, place my right sides together with a drawn line on the outside, and I'm going to stitch a 1/4 inch on either side of the drawn line. I'm going to take this out, turn it around, and continue stitching on the other side. I'm going to take this out. I will trim it right down the drawn line, so I'm separating the 2 units. And I'll have half square triangles. I'm going to trim these half square triangles into 1.5 inch squares. And I'll do this by placing some heat on it. And I'm pressing towards the purple. And once that is done, once the unit is pressed, I'll place the diagonal line right along the seam line. And I want to make sure that I don't go beyond the 1/4 or the 1/2 inch mark on either side. So I'm going to move it up just a little bit. I'm going to trim these 2 edges first, and then I'm going to switch the block around and trim these 2. So I don't want to go beyond the 1.5 inch mark. I want to leave a little bit extra down here where I can trim. So maintaining that diagonal line, which is the 45-degree angle, I'll flip it over, and this time I am placing my diagonal line on the seam and lining up my 1/2 inch and my 1.5 inch and my 1.5 inch along the bottom. There you go. And that makes my half square triangle. And I actually will get 2 out of the beginning 2 squares. So I'll have a total of 4 half square triangles that go into this block.